up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. Got this 68 Chevy Camaro big block up for sale today. It's got a 396 under the hood, paired with an automatic transmission. Guys, we're gonna do a full walkthrough of the vehicle, go over the good, the bad, and if there's any ugly, so you know exactly what you get before you get it. It's coming out as a bluer color on the screen, but it's actually a little bit more green in person, just so you guys know. If you like classic cars, please hit the subscribe button right now. We get new inventory in every single day. We offer financing, credit score of 620 or above, plus we can ship it to your doorstep. 1968 Camaro 396, automatic transmission. Overall, it's a solid looker, solid driver. We have some nice upgrades, which I will show you. You got rally wheels, radial BF Goodrich tires that are in good condition. A little bit of wear on the bumper. The biggest flaws in the car is just the prep work whenever they paint it. You got a little bit of bubbling here. You got little chips on the other side. A little bit of minor stuff. Little spot right there. You can see on the hood right here. But that's pretty much it. Overall, car is solid. Paint looks good. It drives good. Perfect for anybody that wants a big block Camaro. As you guys know, 68 is a very hard year to determine if it's a true SS. We're unable to verify it's a true SS. It's originally an 8-cylinder car, we know that. It's a non-matching engine 396, so we're unsure if it came with a 350 or if this was a true big block car. Start off where we normally do, driver's side paint test. You can see my reflection in it really good. I would probably say the paint's an 8 out of 10 as far as the shine and the look of the paint. We do have those chips like we discussed and the imperfections, but besides that, I would say it's an 8 out of 10 overall paint job. Maybe 7.5. But not bad at all. Great looker. Paint shines well. We'll start off with the door test. And when you pull the door, I feel it go down just a tad. Let's see if it shuts good. It does shut. We'll try a lighter. It shuts good for a light close on it. The gap in the door is even all the way. It pops out a little bit down at the bottom, as you can see there. Not terrible. You can try to close it a little bit better, but it's about the same. Body line's nice and straight across. The gap here is good, but this is the stuff I'm talking about in the paint. Just little stuff like that. Those flaws, minor things. They didn't prep it great when they painted it. Prep work, if they prepped it, I would probably say the paint would be a 9 out of 10. A little bit of dirt here. Looks like it's previously had body work right here. You can see a little bit of filler right there. Probably had rust repair. I'll also show you under the car. Under the car looks good. One thing I did notice is this hood a little high on this side. You push it down and it's fine. They got brand new tires all the way around, all four, and the rallies are really nice. It gives it a nice touch. As far as this fender, got a little scratch right there. Again, the prep work wasn't done well there. A little spot right here. Hood looks good. It's got that little bit of bubbling there, a little bit in the middle. And a little spot there and there. A couple little chips here. I would say it's got a lot of small imperfections, like you can see here, here. But again, it's a driver quality car. It's priced accordingly. It's not $60,000, $70,000 at true SS price. This is an affordable car that looks good. It sounds great. Tires are great on this one. Just get in and go. And I'll show you when we pop the hood. This is the worst part of the car right here. It's got some chips up there. The paint flaked off. The rest of the roof looks good. Quarters look nice. You don't see too much craziness. A little bit of that imperfection like I pointed out earlier in the paint.
As far as this gap, looks pretty even down. Bottom of the door looks good. A little bubble right here, but bottom of the fender is fine. Inside, we'll get to that in a bit, looks good. That was a super light and that closed well. Door closes nice and solid. Again, the bottom comes out a little bit more than up on top. It's common for the hinges on these. Back here looks good. No body work or nothing there. A little bit of dirt. The side looks good. Rallies look good. You got this little spot there. Bumper is definitely wore. I would replace that. And these bezels I would replace. I think that would be a real good start to this car. And a nice polish and wax. And then I leave it. I wouldn't do anything else. I just keep it as a nice driver. Wouldn't get crazy with that, invest too much money into this because it's got a lot of money in already under the hood. But yeah, it's overall body. I would say it's a solid 7 out of 10 driver quality. It's not a show car. It's not real beautiful, unbelievable. It's just a nice, good looker with a big block. Interior's in good shape. Both seats. The only thing that needs to be replaced, you got to get that next to the headliner. You need a little panel there like that one has. Automatic. This was changed with this SS. And then you also have digital gauges, which is nice. And I'll talk more when we get inside. Dash looks good. Windshield looks good. Let's look in the trunk and underneath the car. I don't know what I'm doing here. I think I know how to open a trunk. Got this crazy audio system in here. It's got a kicker and there's some foam padding here. I'm not really sure why. Feels all solid. This is stuck on here. Just like to pull it back just to see. I don't want to mess it up. It looks all solid. I feel like the guy, I think he put this as installation, I think, because how loud the trunk is. I'm not really sure. But it's got a nice radio in it if that's your thing. I don't like listening to music when I'm driving these cars, but you're more than married to do that. Under the car solid. Frame rails look good. Floors look good. Nice and clean. Solid bones to this car, guys. It's clean, no rust under there that I can see. And I didn't show you the best part of the car. Best part of the car, 396, 375 horsepower. This all looks new. Looks like new alternator, looks like new power steering. New radiator, new battery, MSD ignition, power brakes, looks like a Willwood setup possibly. All looks new. I mean, this is clean under here. Which we'll start it up and we'll see if it sounds like it looks. Moving on to the inside before we start it up. Interior is in nice shape. Don't Don't see really any flaws besides that one I showed you earlier. Door panel looks good. We are missing this part that's sitting back here. This side looks good. That sun is bright, guys. Trying to get that brightness down, but the sun is what it is. They got a nice radio here that works well. Looks like it was originally an AC car, it's no longer AC. But this is nice because you do have the upgraded gauges. If I'm not mistaken, they put this in when they put the engine in. I believe is what he told me. Bought this from an Army vet in Maryland. Actually, he works for the, I want to say, Department of Defense now. Beautiful sound to it. The engine sounds good, looks good. Washers work. We'll put the lights on and also put the turn signal on. Left turn signal. That's working good. Right one's working. And the lights are working. It's up for sale now. BobEvansClassics.com. Give us a call or go on our website, 215-801-9493. Time for a new owner. We offer financing. Get it shipped to your doorstep. Let's go.